Alright, so this goes back to the first lesson with pie chart like this one. If Chloe spent a total of $2,500 this month, how much did she spend on fun? Well, fun shows as 17%, and like I said before, I prefer to see these more in percent proportion problems like this one, okay? Because we know the percent that she spent on fun was 17%, right? Now, it's just this $2,500, and it does come with the word of, which is crucial if we remember our percent proportions on this, but it also represents the total amount of money that she spent in the month. So that would be 100%. So it does correspond with the 100%. It should be right across from that as 2,500. So from here we know we're going to solve for the part on this, which is also referring to the 17%. And as I recall, we preferred a cross multiplication on these. So the first cross would be 17 times 2,500, and should equal the other cross 100 times x. So yeah, we'll go to the calculator at this point to do our 17 times 2,500. There we go. Which shows 42,500. And yeah, this still equals 100x. So yeah, just to finish solving this one, we'll divide both sides by 100 to just get x, and it really just cancels out the zeros there to make that 425. And yeah, this is a word problem, so you want to make sure this one's labeled. She spent $425 on fun.